Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create Sendy subscriber on Landingi form submission. So here my objective is that whenever a new form submission is made through Landingi, I want to add subscriber into my Sendy account automatically. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Landingi and Sendy. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Landingi and my action application is Sendy. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a subscriber in Sendy when a form submission is made through Landingi. So Landingi is a marketing platform and Sendy is a self-hosted email newsletter application that lets you send bulk emails via Amazon Simple Email Service. And to connect both these applications, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now, to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. So as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you're a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I am going to name my folder as Landingi to Sendy. Now let's click on create. Now as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Landingi to Sendy over here. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I am going to name my workflow as create Sendy subscriber on Landingi form submission. And as you can see over here, I have selected a folder named as Landingi to Sendy, which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now, my trigger application is going to be Landingi. Let's click on this. And now we have to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And here you will find new lead from landing page and it says triggers when a new lead is created from the landing page. Let's click on this. And as you can see over here, Pabbly Connect has provided us the webhook URL over here, which means this webhook URL will act as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and Landingi account. And given below here are the steps to set up this webhook URL. And the first point says login into your Landingi account. So let me take you to my Landingi account as I've already logged in into that. And this is the landing page of Landingi. And to set up the webhook URL, I'm going to click on this edit over here in connection integration. And this is the form which I've created. Now click on this and after that click on settings and this is the form settings, and in the form settings go to integrations and here search for webhooks and select the webhook and it says request URL. So here we need to paste the webhook URL which is given by a Pabbly Connect account. So let's copy this webhook URL from here. Now after that let's paste it over here and we have pasted our webhook URL. And keep the request method as post, and these are the fields which I have added in the form, name, email and the phone number. And after entering all these details, click on save and click on save and close here as well. After that click on save here and as you can see over here, saved just now, and then click on publish and after that click on publish anyway. And as you can see over here, it says all set, your page is live. Now you can access your page online and share it to others. So this is the page link which we have created. You can copy this link from here and you can share it with others, or you can preview this page. And now click on this to preview your form. And here is the form. Now I'm simply going to enter all the dummy details over here. And after entering all the details, click on send. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. Full name is smart user, email address is smartuser@pabblytutorials.com and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully submitted our form and set up our trigger application as well. Now my action application is going to be Sendy. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find various options, but I'm simply going to select add subscribers, and it says adds a new subscriber to your list. Let's click on this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Sendy account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. And now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, and it is asking us to enter API key and the Sendy URL over here. For the API key, it says enter your API key from Sendy's main settings page. For example, so now let's go to our Sendy account, and after that go to admin section and then to settings. And here you will find your API key. Let's copy this API key from here and then paste it to Pabbly Connect account. And now it is asking for Sendy URL, and it says enter your Sendy installation URL. For example, this. So let's go back to our Sendy account again. And this is the Sendy URL over here. Copy this URL till Sendy, and after that paste it here. And there is a note, there must be no trailing slash in the end of URL. So here, as you can see, we have copied this URL till Sendy and there is no slash at the end. After entering both the details, click on save. And here we have successfully connected our Sendy account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to enter the list ID, which is required. And it says the list ID you want to subscribe a user to. This encrypted and hashed ID can be found under View All List section named ID. Let's go to our Sendy account. And after that, click on View All List. And this is the ID which we need to enter. Let's copy this ID from here and enter it here. And moving ahead, we have to enter name, email of the subscriber. And for that, I'm going to use the method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. Let's click on this and then go to Landingi. And the name is smart user. Email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com. Country, IP address, referrer, and the custom fields are not required, so I'm leaving it empty. But if you want to enter all these details, then you can do that. After then, click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response 1, which means we have added 1 subscriber in our Sendy account. Let's go back to our Sendy account and check whether we have added a subscriber or not. Let's refresh this page once, which is a necessary step. And as you can see over here, there are 3 active subscribers in Landingi now. Let's click on this. And as you can see over here, we have added a subscriber named as smart user with the email address smartuser@pabblytudes.com. 35 seconds ago, which means we have successfully added a subscriber into our Sendy account, and it means we have successfully connected our Landingi account with our Sendy account. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action application, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Landingi and my trigger event is new lead from landing page. Here my action application is Sendy and my action event is add subscriber. And if you also want to add subscriber in your Sendy account, whenever a new form is submitted through Landingi account, then follow this 2-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.